Sewalong.com. I'm leading a sew along for the sunflower tank. Today we're going to print and assemble the pattern. So step one, I'm going to clean my sewing space and make some room, download the pattern from the internet, and open it in Adobe. I'm going to choose the layers for the sizes that I need. Then I'm going to print actual size or custom scales 100. Anything else and it will be off scale. It won't be accurate sizing. You can verify by measuring the box on the pattern piece. So here I need to apologize. My helper is very helpful today. But hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm gluing the bottom of the pattern pieces as I assemble the first row or column, I guess. Then when I start getting to the second column, I'm going to glue both the side and the bottom, putting all of the pieces together. And what I'm trying to show there is that when you put the pieces together, they should form a circle. It's going to look a little weird when you only have 2 or 3 of the pages, but once you get the 4th page in there, hopefully it looks like a perfect circle. That's how you know that you got it in there correctly. So once you assemble the whole block, this pattern is actually one of my favorites because it's so simple in terms of pattern pieces. The front and the back are the same. There's just different cut lines for the neck and arm so that you don't have to assemble separate pattern pieces. So the whole pattern is just the front / back, the pockets, the neckband, and 2 arm bands. So it's a really simple, easy one. It's one of my favorites. It's kind of a swing style, which means I think it's flattering on pretty much everyone. That's pretty great. So here I'm cutting out the pattern pieces despite my helper's help. I really like the overlap because it also makes it easy to store these pattern pieces. They stick together really well. So after I cut the back bodice, which has the bigger pieces, I just cut about 3/4 of the way through the front pieces and I fold them down. That way I don't lose those little pieces and I can keep reusing the pattern. The other thing you'll see me doing here is I need to add about 1 inch in height because I have an extra inch, a 9-inch side waist. So I'm adding 1 inch in height. If you were to subtract, you'd do the same thing. You'd cut it, but then you would overlap it instead of adding additional paper. So now we are ready for tomorrow. We're going to cut our fabric out. Let me know if you have any questions or anything you want to work on a little bit deeper. Thanks.